Hello students, welcome back to the chapter Skeletal System and Nervous System. So in the last class of this chapter, we studied all about the skeletal system, its different parts and its functions and its importance too. So now in today's class, we shall discuss about the nervous system. So first, we must know what is meant by nervous system. See, it is a system consisting of network of billions of nerves. So by the name itself we can see nervous means it has been taken from the word nerves. Okay, the system which consists of the so many kinds of nerves. Nerves means here nuts. Okay, खून जिससे बहता है नस, that nus is nothing but the nerves in English, and the overall nerves present inside our body which is composed by our body, that together those all nerves will be considered as nervous system. Okay, so what is nervous system? It is a system consisting of a network. Why it is called network? Because each and every nerve will be connected to the other nerve. So all the nerves of our body are interconnected to one another. Hence it is called as network of billions of nerves. Okay. Now this nervous system, it consists of mainly the brain. In brain we can see the cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla. Okay. The nervous system, it consists of the brain. Okay, in brain again it can be differentiated into cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Next, along with this brain, it consists of the spinal cord. Okay, and spinal cord with nerves. So in nerves we can see three types of nerves. The overall nerves of our body have been divided into three types of nerves. That is three categories. That is sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. So nerves of our body have been divided into two categories: sensory, motor and mixed nerves. So once again, nervous system, it is a network of billions of nerves that is called nervous system, and this nervous system mainly consisting of two parts, that is the brain and the spinal cord. In brain we can find three different parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. About each of these with their structure we will study, and we will gain the information through the graphical slides, and we will also see about the location of the spinal cord, its function and its importance. Next, the overall nervous system, the nerves which is comprising of the nervous system have been divided into three categories. That is three types of nerves, that is sensory, motor and mixed nerves. We will also see what is meant by sensory, what is meant by motor and what is meant by mixed nerves, and what are their functions. Okay. So moving on to further, we will also discuss about the reflex action. Now what is this reflex action? First we must need to know about this. Reflex action. Reflex means a reflex is a fast and automatic reaction. Okay, so a reflex is a fast and automatic reaction that occurs in a response to a particular event. So for example, I will explain this reflex action. So suddenly, unknowingly, बिना जाने अगर हम किसी गर्म चीज को छूते हैं, okay, if we touch a hot object unknowingly, suddenly our hand it will come backward, right? So अचानक से हमारा हाथ हमारी जानकारी के बगैर ही पीछे आ जाता है, right? That action, that quick and fast sudden reaction of our, that is called as reflex action. Okay, so reflex action, a reflex means it is a fast and automatic, which doesn't control that action. Okay, that is an automatic reaction that occurs in a response to a particular event. So more about this we will see in the upcoming slides. So now you have to note down all the points and you have to listen it carefully. So step by step, listen it carefully.
Nervous system. The nervous system controls the different organs in our body. The brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves form the different parts of our nervous system.
Brain. It is the body's most important organ and control center, and is also a major part of the nervous system. It is located in the head and is well protected by the bony skull. The brain has three parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the medulla. Each part has its own specific functions. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain. It consists of two parts and has a dome-shaped surface. It controls our sense organs and is also responsible for our thinking and reasoning abilities. The cerebrum receives messages from the sense organs and sends back messages about what has to be done. Our thoughts, memories, intelligence, learning are also controlled by the cerebrum. For this reason, it is sometimes also called the thinking part of our brain. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain, just below the cerebrum. The cerebellum coordinates voluntary movements such as balance, posture, speech, and muscle coordination of the body. Medulla. The lowest part of the brain is called the medulla or the brainstem. It forms a bridge between the brain and the spinal cord. It controls involuntary actions such as digestion, respiration, blood circulation, and heartbeats. The medulla never stops working, even when we are asleep or suddenly fall unconscious. Spinal cord. The spinal cord starts from the base of the medulla and goes down the middle of the back till the lower end of the backbone. It is a long, thick bundle made up of nerves, well protected by the bony vertebral column or backbone. The spinal cord helps the brain to exchange information between the brain and the rest of the body. This is done through nerves. The spinal cord also controls reflex actions, sudden actions not involving the brain. Example: impromptu removal of finger on coming in contact with a hot object. Nerves. Nerves are made up of tiny nerve cells or neurons. They carry messages from the different parts of our body to our brain and spinal cord. This is why they are also known as messengers of the body. There are 3 types of nerves in our body, with each type carrying out a specific function. Sensory nerves. They send information from the sense organs such as skin, eyes, nose, tongue, ears to the brain and the spinal cord. Motor nerves. They send information from the brain or spinal cord to muscles or parts of the body. Mixed nerves. Mixed nerves comprise both motor and sensory nerves and thus carry messages to and from the brain. Reflex actions. The body's control center, the brain, is responsible for almost all activities going on inside the body. Yet, there are some that are controlled by the spinal cord only without the help of the brain. These are called reflex actions. Reflex actions are automatic, immediate, and involuntary responses. If you unknowingly touch a hot vessel, the sensory nerves from the skin immediately carry the message of pain, that is burn, to the spinal cord. The spinal cord responds immediately, sending a message to the hand through the motor nerves to pull back the hand. The actions are very fast, taking not even a few seconds.
Okay student, that was all about this lesson, skeletal system and nervous system. So in the next class, we shall discuss another new chapter from the subject science. So till then, before that, you must have to complete all the notes and explanation of this chapter, skeletal system and nervous system. So see you soon in the next class, inshallah. Thank you.